In this video, you'll learn how to change your avatar profile in Phantom Wallet, as the platform does not allow manual deletion of profile pictures. Instead of deleting, you will be adjusting the avatar style assigned to your wallet account. Begin by launching the Phantom Wallet application on your device. Once the application is open, look towards the top left corner of the interface. Here you will see your profile icon, which may include your current avatar or an identifier like your username. Next, click on your profile icon, which will reveal a drop-down menu. From this menu, locate and select the option labeled Manage Accounts. This action will direct you to a new screen where you can see all the accounts associated with your Phantom Wallet. After that, you will need to choose the specific account for which you wish to change the avatar. For instance, if your account is labeled Account 2, click on that to proceed. This selection will take you to the settings for that specific account. Once you are in the account settings, look for the option that allows you to change the avatar style. If available, this option will be clearly displayed on the screen. Selecting this will present you with different avatar styles that you can choose from, allowing you to personalize your profile. After selecting your desired avatar style, confirm the change to apply it to your account. You may notice a brief loading indicator as the application updates your profile. Once the update is complete, your new avatar style will be visible on your profile. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.